To have this realistic shadow, first add the man's layer to the image and resize it. Then choose hue saturation and turn on colorize, then make some changes. Tap Ctrl E to merge layer. Now duplicate layer and tap Ctrl T and right click on it and choose distort. The size of the shadow depends on the angle of the sun, and as you can see, we should have a long shadow here. Now make some changes using perspective option and right click on the layer and choose select pixel. Now from select menu, modify and expand. Then from edit menu, choose puppet warp and have the shoes stick to the main ones. Now fill the layer by a color near to the shadows in image. From edit menu, blur, choose Gaussian blur, then decrease the fill. Now make a new layer and draw a thick shadow beneath his shoes using brush tool. Here you are, a very smooth shadow. So to support me, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.